This is the lift in Canary Wharf station. I've probably filmed this before because it was in 2022 when I had my uncle with me, and it was very busy. But I am going to film this properly now, lift fans. Alright, don't worry. It's lift approaching. So they have a lift traction here, so when the lift moves it has a cable, but I don't know if it does have a cable, but it's not a glass lift anyway. Here it is. We're going to go down ticket hall. Yeah. It's an Accord lift services. Capacity 16 persons, 1200 kilos. I don't know if it was installed in 2017. It has the Leicester words, I think. Well, I don't know if it's the same one. We're at station ticket hall. These doors. Actually, we're going to go back up. We're going to go back up. Yeah. And we'll go back up the street and we'll go back down to ticket hall. This is lift 1. And it was installed in 2017. We're back at station street level. These doors. We're going to go back down to ticket hall for Jubilee line. Yeah. Do you know the reason why I changed on none of the things? And when I'm filming this camera, it's cool, man. All right. We're going to go back down to ticket hall. Bye, lift fans.